John Henderson. I'm not sure which one got it. The ball went right down parallel with the line of scrimmage. The Moriaki almost caught the deflected ball.
Yeah.
Strange.
Strange things happen.
Raider defensive front playing extremely well today. Minus Richard Seymour. Bryant's played well, but John Henderson had 11 tackles last week against the Colts, played well. So it's 2nd and 10.
The storm!
5 yards, but not while the ball was in flight. The Raiders taking a deep shot. Jacoby Ford, the young playmaker.
This is crazy, man. This is crazy. We're getting attacked by rocks. This sucks. Dude, I'm getting nailed with rocks, bro. This sucks. Hey, dust storms really suck. Help me! It's snowing here.
Tough call that Bill Levy did not make. Bill's a terrific referee. I'd like to see the replay with him. It's how close Moriaki. Castle in an empty set, looking left, rolling out of the end zone. He throws downfield, and it is intercepted by the Raiders. Michael Huff takes a tackle 20, 15, 10. The Raiders would rather have that than the safety anyway.
Absolutely.
Michael.
Sharpton Resistance of San Francisco is a proud sponsor of the Oakland Raiders.
In today's cars, self-adjusting cylinders, self-activating wipers.
Stevie Brown playing deep secondary. They give it to Charles on the inside handoff sweep. The Raiders play that very well. Rolando McClain having a very nice game.
Yeah, with the exception of maybe
Castle
one
in
run.
the gun.